So guys, this is Mahara, and of course I went back to Saudi Arabia, only me and my other friend Ahmed. I got gym buddy, car buddy.
So basically this is a Shelby GT350R which was manufactured by Carroll Shelby back in the day. This car is a pure race car with bucket seats and suspension adjustments and harnesses. This one on the other hand was the 2012 GT350, the Mustang Shelby GT350. It has a 5 liters V8, around 450 horsepower. It's like a little bit modified with air filter, suspension adjustments and other stuff.
Here. Here. First, this one first.
One?
Yeah.
It's 1,200 naturally aspirated.
Again.
It has a. It's only 1,200.
Only.
Horsepower, naturally aspirated small block 7 liter V8. It does a quarter mile in 8.5 seconds. Top speed, I have no idea, but I'm assuming around 300 and something kilometers per hour.
Just to see, guys, see how serious this build is. Yeah. We got some meat.
Here, we have this beautiful Formula Drift Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5D, built by Bonger and Junior drift cars. These cars are insanely, beautifully powered cars. This is the first one. Lightweight everything, fully fiberglass body with the carbon fiber hood. Small block V8 Ford 7 liter, naturally aspirated. It has an 800 horsepower and almost 1,000 Newton meter of torque. This is the first one. This is the second one.
The little brother.
Sorry, this one is a 7.2 liter. This is the 7 liter.
7.2. Ahmed, I wish I can help you, but someone have to hold the camera so you can get your hand dirty. Okay.
These cars are a little bit dusty because we are in the off season, so.
And we're in the desert, so yeah.
No, it's just now we just do like maintenance and stuff for the cars because the season is about to start.
I helped him a bit.
Wait, I'm gonna show you how lightweight it is. See? This is how lightweight it is. Check this out.
It's actually flexible.
Yes, because basically these cars are the previous generation of the RTRs that we just saw. These are Ford Mustangs RTRs, 2011 and 2012. We have both Coyote engines. This one used to be 780 horsepower with a centrifugal supercharger. Now it's a naturally aspirated and full bolt-ons. It's around 550 to 600 horsepower in the engine.
Of course, if anyone asking about this thing, Ahmed, you want to tell us about this? What? This thing?
Just a hydraulic handbrake.
None of the function of the rope, because
Yeah, because like
basically just to hold the car in
No,
place,
just- yeah,
because
just
you
to hold it.
need to hold it. It's not
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
a normal
because
one, like
because
No.
this handbrake is
at all.
hydraulic. Like when you just like pull it and you just like leave the lever, it just goes back because it's connected to this oil pump.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, when you see the light of the buckle. Oh yes! Some nice music to my ears.